Hello guys, what is up? Welcome back to the Illamasqua YouTube channel. My name is Jack. Hello. And today I'm going to be taking you on a little drag journey, a full drag transformation using some of Illamasqua's amazing products. First and foremost, make sure you are subscribed to Illamasqua's channel so you never miss a thing. Give this video a thumbs up if you do enjoy it. Let us know what you think down in the comment section. Go ahead and drop your favorite Illamasqua product down below because we want to know. And just to extra make sure you never miss anything from this channel, go ahead and hit the bell notification button and you will know the second anything new drops. So yeah, today is a full drag transformation. I'm going to be taking you from this to this. And if you guys want to see how I did it, then keep on watching. Okay, so first up, I'm going to do a little bit of prep. I'm going to do this off camera just to save some time. I have to shave my beard. I'm also going to be covering my brows. We are doing a full drag transformation. No messing about. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and I'll be right back to start on the face. So now that little bit of prep work is out of the way, the first product I'm going to be taking is one of the cream pigments and this is the shade Emerge. So because this is a peach pigment, I'm going to be using this just around my beard area, just to cover up the man. And I'm just going to dot that on with my finger. This is just going to ensure that none of the blue tones of my beard are going to show through when I'm going with a foundation. And it's just going to help create a nice even base. I'm also going to be taking this product on my eyebrows, again just to cancel out the blue tones. And then using some of the translucent loose powder, I'm taking it on the powder puff that it comes with. And I'm just making sure to really liberally set the brow area. And then also a little bit on the beard. I love this powder so much and it smells like vanilla, which is everything. So I've just gone ahead and knocked out the brow area with some foundation. It's also going to prime our eyes. And for my eyes today, I'm going to be using the Experimental Artistry palette. So this gorgeous, colourful eye palette. I think I'm going to do blue because it's my favourite colour. So I'm going to be starting by creating a new crease. So I'm using the darker blue shade for that. Basically following my natural crease line, but going a little bit higher. Drag makeup for me is all about creating a new face. So you want everything to be bigger, more exaggerated, and more fun. So this is going to be our baseline. I look amazing right now. My makeup process for drag always makes me laugh because I feel like it looks so weird until the very last second. And then with the greeny blue shade, I'm going to blend out the dark blue. And then lastly, I'm going to go ahead and take the yellow and just use that as my very top colour. And that's just going to give us this gorgeous green, blue, yellow fantasy. And once I've cut my crease and made sure everything is perfect, I'm going to connect that outer corner. Then I'm going to go ahead and take some of the Precision Gel Liner in the shade Infinity. This is one of my favourite products ever. So black, so creamy. And I'm just doing just a little lash line kind of wing. So that is my go-to drag eye basically done. I'm going to catch up on the other eye and then get started on skin. So to start on my skin, then the first thing I'm doing is taking the Hydra Veil Primer. I actually think this is my favourite Illamasqua product. Drag makeup is definitely heavy, so this is going to add a lot of hydration back into the skin and make sure everything is really taken care of, looking healthy and primed. Ready for foundation, and for that I'm going to be using the Skin Base. I'm going to be mixing a couple of shades together to get the perfect drag shade. So my base foundation shade is going to be a little bit more tan, and this is going to ensure that all of the highlights are really accentuated. So after I've kind of built up like my general shadows with different colors of foundation, I'm going to be taking the Skin Base Lift Brightening Concealer. This is the shade Light, and I'm going to be placing that on the very inner corners of my under eye, a little bit on my Cupid's bow, a dot in the center of my forehead, and then a little bit down my nose. And then back in with the translucent loose powder to set everything in place. Next up, to highlight the skin, I'm going to be taking the Beyond powder, and this is shade OMG. And with that, I'm going to be hitting the cheekbones. This is such a gorgeous gold shade, and because obviously my skin, being that it's drag, is a little bit more bronzy, a little bit more contoured, this just works so beautifully. And then to blush up my skin, I'm going to be taking two of the powder blushes in Lover and Excite. I love blush so much, so I'm going to go really ham with this. So I'm going to start with the shade Lover, which is a little bit more of a light pinky peach, and kind of use that as my base blush. And then go in with Excite, which is definitely a stronger colour, and just really kind of focus that where I want it. This is just going to add so much warmth back into the skin. I am super quickly going to add some finishing touches to the eyes, and then we'll be back to do lips. So for my lips today, I'm going to be taking the shade Vela from the Antimatter Lipstick collection. But firstly, I'm going to line my lips with the lip pencil in the shade Raw. I feel like the eyes are definitely the focus of this look, so I'm wanting to keep the lip quite nude and quite neutral. And this is such a gorgeous kind of like light to medium nude. And it's got a little bit of a peachy base, which for me works so perfectly with the blue eyes. So then, of course, the very last thing we're going to be doing is setting everything in place, and I'm going to be using the Hydra setting spray just to ensure the makeup is not going anywhere, and also to add moisture and hydration back into the skin because we have gone in with so much makeup. Right, I'm going to pop on some hair and some kind of outfit, and I'll be right back with the very final look. Okay then guys, so this is the very final drag look for today's video. What do you think? I feel gorge. Make sure to hit the thumbs up button if you do enjoy this look, if you've enjoyed today's video. Of course, make sure you are subscribed to Illamasqua's YouTube channel so you never miss a thing. Make sure you check the description box down below for a full list of products used in today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.